that have not been able to call off the strike. So 22 counties are still a threat of a strike. I'll give you the dates. There are some that started on the 6th, 3 counties. The others that are starting on the 11th, and others on the 18th. And there are certain issues that we're still trying to get clarity on. We're really urging those involved in the discussions, because the nurses must agree with each and every county governor in those counties, because the county governments are their employers. At the national level, the Council of Governors is not an employer of the nurses. The nurses are employed by the specific counties, and that we need to find a way through which we have a proper CBA and return to work formula, so that we don't keep Kenyans' lives at risk. So it's an ongoing discussion. Myself, as the chair of Labour in the Senate, I am still doing my work and talking to these different institutions, because it is really them to come together. It is not the work of the Senate to do a conciliation. They were giving us a status report. So I'll still make sure that at least the counties that are to go on strike from the 11th do not go on strike, and those from the 18th. And I'm appealing to the county governors, please, don't just look at this in terms of push and shove between yourself and the unions trying to show who has a bigger say. Look at the people in your counties who are going to suffer because of this strike. Let's have a return to work formula. Just engage them. The nurses gave me a commitment that each county that is beginning to engage with them, and the nurses are here, you can ask them. Each county that is beginning to engage with them, they're calling off the strike. That gives us now some time to actually go into the real details of a collective bargaining agreement.